We have ovens, stoves, armchairs, bed, clocks, lamps. Ephraim, I need to wash my hands. There's a sink. Oh, I can even wash my hands. Let's buy a dishwasher and a cabinet. This cabinet or this cabinet? This. I want to buy this dishwasher. Yes. Let's go to the cashier. We want this dishwasher and this cabinet.
Okay, 1,000 złotych.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye.
Our home is beautiful. Ephraim, we need to change kitchen counter.
We have computers.
Do you finish?
Yes.
In Ikea, you can buy online